This is the life. Fresh air and pure milk. No skyscrapers here.
It's so peaceful. I could stay in this village forever.
Time to harvest some superheroes!
We want chaos. We want this village.
Hey! You ruined my lassie! That's a crime here! Don't be shy, Blondie. Come for a ride.
Let me go, you monster!
They took her into the fields. I can't track them alone.
Inspector Hulk, I need immediate backup in Sector 4 Village.
Hulk is eating lunch, but Hulk will come for justice. Hulk smash bad guys!
I hate running out of tall buildings. Come back here.
Blind the beast!
Get off me! Ah!
That truck is too big! Cheat code! Throw me, Hulk! Fastball special! Go get him! Oh no! Not the smell! Annabelle!
We will destroy this whole place! No one hurts the village. No! Too strong! Too strong!
Looks like your farming days are over, clown.
You are going to the village jail. Small cell. No windows.
Let us out! It's cramped in here.
Now this is a real reward. Best tea ever.
Mission accomplished. Village saved.